This video is all about Linux, and we will discuss about the basics of Linux. Currently, we were talking about the terminal. When you open a terminal in the Linux, it's like a command prompt in the Windows. You will find out that a written thing, like for example, in the desktop currently in the terminal written is tcrtv at localhost space then desktop then brackets close and then $signal. It's similar like Windows when you used to get the path in command like C drives /users /administrator /desktop if user is administrator. Now TP is basically the username. Linux support only 15 digits username, so it should be a 15 digit. If extended, then you have to give a shorter version. Otherwise, the username is TP. At is separator, who's separating the path. Localhost means the machine's name, computer's name. Space desktop, it means our working directory is desktop. We are currently working on desktop. And $sign means we are using standard user, means our login ID is standard. Now if you give a cd command, then you find the tilde sign. Tilde means your present working directory, means currently we are working in the TechRTV, means we are working on the directory of user. Before we were working on desktop, now we are working on our home directory, our home, and the home is TechRTV, Tech Engineer TV, so whatever your username it is. But currently tilde means we are working in our own home. So when you find out tries to work around the working directory, you will find that currently for example slash, so our working directory is now changed to slash, means root. We are working now in the C drive. For example, in the Windows terminology, we are currently working on the C drive. Otherwise slash means the C drive of Linux. So we already created or learned about slash boot /root then /boot /home. This is, and you can see about the who am I thing. Who am I will provide you the command from which user ID you're working your login with. So it's similar like Windows. PWD, so this is very much describe you where we are working on. So we are working on our home, so home is /home /TechRTV. We can change our home directory to some other users also, but then it will be provide you the path. Tilde means we are currently sitting at our own home. Now for example, we're to change the directory cd space /home /TechRTV, and for example TechRTV's desktop, then we work back to the desktop. So now PWD are now showing that we are currently sitting at home /TechRTV /desktop. Now the next command we'll work on is cd. We're back on tilde, and for example PWD, where we show the same command that we discussed before, but here we'll discuss about how to get the admin's right. So su and give the password of root, so it can now see currently is uncurrent password. So su, give a password, and you are now seeing that change in the path. You are now logging with root. Root is admin of Linux user, means Linux computer admin known as root. And you can see the path. Root is now, at means separator, is now login in localhost. Localhost is the machine's name, and tether TV, it means currently our working directory is tether TV, and hash means we are logging with admin. So doesn't mean the root name user will have admin. Any other user could have the admin rights. So hash means admin. Now PWD, when you use this PWD command, you find out that currently your working directory is /home tether TV. But currently our working directory is same like we used to be. But when you go to CD, now we are working at tilde. Tilde means now we are working at our home, and /root is the home directory of our root users. So like we created directories like that, /boot, and then where partitions were created. Partitions. So root is a partition, and root admin have a working rights of /root. Currently I'm close this terminal. For example, let me open it once again. Okay, what I needs to show is su space dash. Now once you provide a su space set slash space dash and provide the password of a root, then you will find that we will not only get the authentication of a root, but we will also work on our roots directory. Otherwise, whenever you provide a su command, then you will be working your working directory as admin. Your working directory will be in the guest directory, in the guest's home, or in the standard user's home. But here su space dash means you not only get the authentication of a root, but will be on the working directory of root. Sudo su will work on the Ubuntu, and rest all these commands were su command will work on Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, so all that. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.